Today I'm doing a grocery haul for food prep from Walmart and Publix. So if you'd like to see what I buy to have some food ready to eat, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a little bit of a food haul from Walmart and Publix. I bought some things so I can have some food ready when I come home from work, and so that's what this video is going to be about today. And then I show some ideas on the food that I use at the end. Okay, I did a little bit of a meal prep grocery haul for while I'm here in Florida working at the Hard Rock. So sometimes I'll be eating at the Hard Rock, but when I want a quick meal, I'm going to be preparing some food. So this is what I purchased. I purchased some peppers and onion frozen blend, salt and pepper shaker, because the ones we have here kind of get old over the summer. So I got a new one. I got some eggs, always good for making hard-boiled eggs or egg salad. You can add them in salads, breakfast sandwiches. So I always like to have eggs. Of course, a pack of chicken breast. I'm going to be doing some white chicken chili, some chicken enchiladas, and some barbecued chicken in the slow cooker or in a pan. And that's really easy to have around and stored, or some chicken fajitas. And then I bought some bananas, some extra lean ground beef. It is 96.4. It is the lowest point ground beef. Some rice. I bought coffee. I bought medium or blonde roast iced coffee and some Coffee Mate. So I have can have my iced coffee. They didn't have any stock this time. I got some light English muffins. These are only 2 points for an English muffin. They're great for breakfast sandwiches. A bag of frozen chopped onions for quick and easy prep. La Banderita carb counter flour tortillas. These are only 1 point each. I got some turkey sausage patties for breakfast sandwiches. 2 points for one or 3 points for two. A box of Sweet and Low, because that is my sweetener of choice in iced coffee or iced tea. I got some of this sugar-free G. Hughes barbecued sauce in the hickory flavor. I really like that. It's good for anything you want to have that barbecue flavor. It's good. I like to make the chicken in it, and I just throw it in the slow cooker, and then it makes a really tasty chicken. I got some sliced mushrooms, some green beans, celery, some asparagus, some green onions, a couple of Honeycrisp apples, an avocado for avocado toast. I got to have this long grain and wild rice. This is 6 points for a cup serving. I like it with the chicken enchiladas that I'm going to make for meal prep. Another thing I bought at Walmart to flavor water is these two water enhancers. Southern Sweet Tea, Raspberry Black Tea, and they are 0 points when you add them to water. It's very tasty. I especially like the Southern Sweet Tea. I have my favorite Sara Lee Delightful 45 calorie bread. It is 1 point per slice. I have some garlic powder, because I like to season things with garlic powder, especially the vegetables. And some Worcestershire sauce to take up the ground beef taste a bit. So that is my meal prep grocery haul that I bought at Walmart. I had it delivered. They didn't have everything I wanted, so I'm gonna run to Publix and I'll bring that to you here. This is my little Publix haul I got just to finish up some things I needed for some recipes. Starting off with this Outshine fruit bar and a peach flavor. They're 6 points each. I got some Daisy Light sour cream for my white chicken chili. I got this garlic butter shrimp scampi. It looked seasoning. It's only 15 calories for 2 teaspoons. I thought maybe it would be good if I make some shrimp, which I didn't buy any, but I do have shrimp occasionally. I got some ranch seasoning for my chicken chili. I got 2 containers of these pastry crisps. They're strawberry and brown sugar cinnamon. They're 4 points per pack. At least they were last time I had them, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Good Thins crackers to go with my chili. You get quite a bit of crackers here for 3 points. It's 38 pieces, so. And I got some Lay's Poppables. These are 4 points per serving, and they're a substitute for potato chips. And I also got a container of, I cannot believe it's not Butter Light, which is normally the butter I use for cooking or putting on toast or things like that. I got 2 cans of cream of chicken soup with the 98% fat-free, some cannellini beans, black beans, and rotel for my white chicken chili, along with corn and some third less fat cream cheese. And then I also got a can of cream of mushroom soup, the 98% free, just to have it around. So that is my little Publix haul to finish up for my meal preps that I want to do while I'm down here in Florida, pre-cruise. Here I made a burger out of the low-fat ground beef. I used 4 ounces of the ground beef, and I added mushrooms and onions, a 2-point slice of cheese, and the bun is 5 points and then 2 points for the poppables. Then I made with the chicken, I cut up some, browned it up, cooked it with some of those, all those frozen peppers and onions, and I used some fajita seasoning, and that is really good with rice, or you could eat it plain, but it's a good food to meal prep for, and you can have it around. Now I cooked up the rest of the chicken. I cooked it for a while on top of the stove in some chicken broth, and I just shredded it all up, and I saved it and used it in some recipes for meal prep. One of the things I made was chicken enchiladas. These are really good. They are 3 points for 1, 5 points for 2. I will post the link up above of a video I made of my favorite shredded chicken recipes. And I served it with rice, and yummy meal. I also made a pot of white chicken chili. This is really good. It's low points. It's 2 points per serving, and I like to have that around. I also made some of that chicken with some sugar-free barbecue sauce, but I didn't even get to eat any because my son ate it. So it's pretty good though. So that's going to be the end of today's video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bells so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.